was afraid that I had overdressed for the day, but it turns out I didn't. It is pretty cold. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Depending on when this video posts, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to you. As you may be able to tell, I got my Insta360 back, and this is my first in the field test of it. And I thought it'd be a good day. Very few clouds, pretty bright day. Very nice out. See if I can take us to the park again. First, I should go over my experience with the Insta360 people. Outstanding. No issues at all with them. Call customer support. They walked me through the process of getting my camera to them, what I needed to do. I gave them a tracking number and they told me when it came in. And then they told me that they'd let me know within a week whether or not they were going to repair or replace it. Then the very next day they say, we're shipping you a new one. So not only did I get a new Insta360 out of the deal, it came with a battery and another year's warranty. I have no issues with these people at all. They really stand behind their product. Premium price is very good quality, and I think that customer support is well worth it. That's the one thing that really makes me respect the company. The fact that they stand behind their product. I think we're going to take a left here at the circle. A lot of cars are out today. I wonder what's happening. Sunday morning and a little chilly. It's a nice park though. Not really that bad. Oh look, they got a barbecue grill. Very neat. I think this park bears some exploring. I wonder if you have to reserve this spot here. It's pretty nice. So I haven't replied to any of the comments, but I read them all for my poll for the Ruckus versus the Monkey. I haven't really made up my mind on that. You guys thought that by 76% that I should keep the Ruckus. And I hear you. That's all I want to say about that. So I don't need any more comments. That poll is closed. I tell you what though, my wife does have a Monkey, and I'm going to do some comparisons beyond the obvious speed comparison. The Monkey versus a Ruckus to see which is better. I do know that my Ruckus is in need of some maintenance along the CVT. The belt is probably worn a little bit, probably by about 10%. I used to be able to do 42 miles an hour, and now I can only do 38. And my gas mileage is suffering because of that too. I'm only getting, I think, 89 miles to the gallon. My wife used to get, she didn't ride it as much, and she didn't have as many miles on her Ruckus as I do on mine when she traded it in. But she was getting up to like 114 miles to the gallon. So there's some work there that I need to do, but I was planning on doing that sometime anyway. And if I work on the CVT, I might put in a kit to make it go a little bit faster than 40 miles an hour. See if I could get up to 45. That would be good. I think that's about it. By the time you guys see this video, my Cozumel video would have dropped. So let me know what you think about that. If you haven't seen it yet, go back and check out the channel. It's the previous video from this. And it was a beautiful ride. I tell you what, I miss that 85-degree balmy weather right now. It's not so bad here, but still, I'm made for warmer weather. All right, I think I've dallied enough, and I will see you guys later. Man, this is an awesome spot. I'm gonna come back and do some exploring. Okay, you guys make sure you like and subscribe, and I will see you later on. Bye.